Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today we will be making some cookies and cream brigadeiro. For this recipe, you will need 10 Oreos, 1 cup condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, a bowl to put the cream in, and a safe knife. Step 1. Take the cream out of the Oreos with the knife and put it in the bowl. And put the biscuits in a Zipline bag. Repeat with all of the Oreos. Make sure the bag is closed properly. Step 2. Crush all the biscuits. Step 3. Put the butter in a pot and wait for it to melt. Then add the condensed milk and stir it properly. Step 4. Add the cream and stir it properly. Stir it for 2 minutes on medium flame until it gets thick. Then take it out in a plate and leave it for 10 minutes to cool down. Step 5. Make small balls from the mixture and put it in the crushed biscuits. Repeat until the mixture is finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Stay tuned for my next video. We'll see you all next time. Bye.